To plan debt payoff with EveryDollar, start by gathering all your financial information including income and expenses and debt details. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you track your spending and create a personalized plan to pay off debt. First, create an account on the EveryDollar website or download the mobile app and fill out the income and expenses section. Be sure to include all sources of income and every single expense, no matter how small. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Next, add your debt information, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each debt. This can include credit cards, loans, and mortgages. EveryDollar will then calculate your total debt and provide recommendations for paying it off. Now it is time to create a debt payoff plan. EveryDollar offers two popular methods: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball involves paying off debts with the smallest balances first while making minimum payments on the rest. The debt avalanche involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Choose the method that works best for you, and EveryDollar will provide a personalized plan. This plan will include the order in which to pay off your debts and how much to pay each month. You can also set reminders and track your progress to stay motivated. To ensure you stick to your plan, make sure to review and update your budget regularly. EveryDollar allows you to adjust your budget as needed and make changes to your debt payoff plan. It is also important to avoid taking on new debt while you are paying off existing debt. By following these steps and using EveryDollar to plan your debt payoff, you can take control of your finances and become debt-free. Remember to stay consistent and patient, and you will be on your way to a debt-free life.